guys, it's Bwahahahahaha. Hey, it's Bwahahahahaha here, and we just made it to IKEA, and we're gonna show you some ways that we can have fun at IKEA. And while you're waiting on your mom, hey Mimi, I'm getting ready for IKEA. Does this fit?
We're at IKEA already.
Oh. So do you want anything to eat before we get to IKEA?
We're at IKEA.
Oh. And I'm going to the bathroom real quick before we go to IKEA. Oh no.
We're at IKEA, guys.
The TV is not working right now. And something's wrong. It feels like when I turned it on, it's not working. And I'm trying to watch TV before we get to IKEA.
We're at IKEA.
Oh.
Can't ever find this child of mine.
What are you doing? I'm trying to take a shower before we get to IKEA.
We're at IKEA.
Mimi, I'm ready to go to IKEA right now.
We're at IKEA.
Mimi, I just got finished fixing my hair. And I'm ready to go to IKEA.
We're at IKEA.
I just feel good because we're not going to IKEA yet. I'm about to have some cappuccino, Mimi. And do you want some? Hey, Mimi, you want a drink before we go to IKEA?
Ooh, sounds good. Pour me one. Here's my glass.
Yeah. There you go.
Thanks, man. Hey, Sai. The floor is lava. In 3, 2, 1. What you doing?
Oh, I made you something.
What'd you make?
Before we got to IKEA.
Oh, we're at IKEA. Hang the picture back up. Sai?
Yeah.
The floor is lava in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey Mimi, I'm just doing the laundry real quick before we go to IKEA. Do you need anything to clean?
We are at IKEA right now.
Oh, sorry. Hey Mimi, are you thirsty before we go to IKEA?
We're at IKEA.
Sorry. Anything to eat, Mimi, before we go to IKEA? Look, I baked you something.
We're at IKEA.
Yeah, I know. I can cook you some noodles before we go to IKEA.
We are at IKEA right now.
Something that you like, Mimi. Would you like some wine before we go to IKEA?
We are at IKEA right now. Put that down.
Hey, Mimi, you want some cake before we go to IKEA?
We are at IKEA.
Hey, Mimi.
Yep.
Come chill in the patio before we go to the IKEA.
We are at IKEA.
Ah! Mimi, I'm taking a selfie before we go to IKEA.
We are at IKEA. Miss I. The
Yes?
floor is lava in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hey Mimi, I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. Oh, before we go to IKEA.
Oh my gosh, we are at IKEA.
Oh shoot, I just pooped in the bathroom. Hey Mimi. Hey Mimi, look, dinner in bed before we go to IKEA.
Oh my god, put that down. We are at IKEA. Oh my gosh, Sai, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm making potpourri before we go to IKEA.
Oh my gosh, Miss Sai, how many times do I have to tell you? We are at IKEA. Don't touch. Miss Sai,
Yeah.
the floor is lava in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Miss Sai, the floor is lava in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey Mimi, I'm getting chilly before we go to IKEA.
My gosh, Miss I, we are at IKEA, and those are girls' clothes. Those are women's clothes. Put that down now.
Sorry, I'm just laying down over here. And I was just doing all this stuff before we go to IKEA.
We are at IKEA. Get up and stop playing. Hey, Sai.
Yeah.
The floor is lava in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Barely made it.
Hey Mimi, I'm just playing soccer before we go to IKEA.
Miss I, we are at IKEA. Can you please put the ball back?
Hey Mimi, can we get something to drink before we go to IKEA?
We're at IKEA, Sai. I love you.
Love you too, Mimi.
Lava in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's glass. Get off of it. That's glass. Oh my god, what are you doing?
I'm taking a bath before we go to IKEA.
We are at IKEA. Oh my gosh.